babatiin ko lang ng advance happy birthday. Although April 30 pa lang, so babatiin ko na ng advance happy birthday sa May 1. So, a day advance. So, happy birthday to Mr. Jodel Adan. Labor Day pa yung birthday mo. So, happy birthday in advance. No? Kasi kinabukasan naman is birthday mo na, Wednesday. So, babatiin pa lang kita Tuesday na. Tuesday pa lang kasi baka makalimutan ko eh. Mabuti na yung habang naalala kong birthday mo sa May 1 mabati na kita. So, wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. And sana o ano man yung hindi lang good health, kahit yung mga financial blessings sana dumating sa iyo. Thank you for always reacting and supporting yung kung ano yung mga pinaglalagay ko sa Facebook. I greatly appreciate that. And sana yung appreciation mo sa mga ginagawa ko would merit more blessings from the Lord on your birthday. So, happy birthday again and God bless.